Looking for the right tool to streamline your freelance business? Asana versus HoneyBook, which is better for freelancers? I'm going to break down the strengths and weaknesses of both platforms and reveal which one could actually hold you back from achieving your goals. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a better alternative that might just be the perfect solution for you. First off, let's dive into Asana. Asana is known for its project management capabilities. It's incredibly useful when you have complex workflows and multiple projects on your plate. You can easily create tasks, set deadlines, and track your team's progress. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it a solid choice if you need organization above all else. But here's the catch: Asana's project management features are pretty heavy-duty, which might overwhelm freelancers who are managing smaller, simpler projects. Plus, while the free version offers a lot, some essential features, like timelines and reporting, are locked behind a premium plan. Next thing, let's talk about HoneyBook. This tool is built specifically for freelancers, and that focus on the solo worker makes a difference. HoneyBook combines project management with client management and invoicing, which is a huge plus for freelancers who need to keep everything in one place. You can easily book clients, create contracts, manage payments, and track projects all within the platform. It feels like an all-in-one solution. However, while it's great for keeping your business running smoothly, HoneyBook can be a bit too tailored for certain industries like photographers and event planners. It doesn't offer as much flexibility for freelancers in other fields. And if you need a tool for larger projects, you may find it lacks the depth of Asana's project management features. The third thing to consider is integration. Asana integrates with many different tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox, which makes it easy to add your other essential tools into your workflow. However, while it offers strong integrations, it's not quite as seamless when it comes to handling client invoicing or payments. If you're looking for a tool that can handle both project and financial management in one place, Asana may leave you wanting more. On the other hand, HoneyBook shines when it comes to integrations for client communications, payments, and contracts. You can easily link it with things like Gmail and QuickBooks, making it very practical for those who need a complete client management system. The problem here is the cost. HoneyBook offers a 7-day trial, but once that's over, it can get pricey for freelancers who don't need all the bells and whistles. If you're not careful, it can easily eat into your profits. Finally, let's talk pricing. Asana offers a free version that's decent, but you'll need the premium plan to unlock more advanced features. That's not a huge issue for smaller freelancers who just need basic project management, but the cost can rise if you need more features as your business grows. HoneyBook, on the other hand, doesn't have a free tier and starts with a monthly fee that might seem steep for some freelancers. However, it's an investment if you're serious about managing your business with an all-in-one solution. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While Asana and HoneyBook are both solid platforms, I found a better alternative after trying them myself. If you're a freelancer looking for a better way to handle your client projects, manage payments, and organize your work without paying premium prices or dealing with unnecessary complexity, there's another tool you should consider. After trying all of these, I'd recommend taking advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description below. It offers the best of both worlds, the project management features you need with the client management system that freelancers love. Plus, through our link, you'll get an exclusive offer not available anywhere else. Give it a try and see for yourself why it's the top choice for freelancers who want to take their business to the next level. So, if you're still deciding between Asana versus HoneyBook, both have their strengths, but for freelancers looking for simplicity, efficiency, and better value, there's a better solution waiting for you. Check it out in the description below.